We are diving into spring with very fresh recipes from Weekend at the Cottage's Nick Manojlovich. It smells so delicious in here.
And can you imagine, this is all very veggie. Everything today is vegetarian. Everything is made using Ontario greenhouse vegetables.
Awesome.
The most awesome.
Let's start.
Let's do a simple salad, Annette.
Okay.
You and me. I want you to take this little bowl, add that lime juice in there.
So I don't have to squeeze anymore. This is just
but
lime.
They were hard to squeeze.
It's a prop lime.
Yeah, that's just to show you. Isn't that a nice? That's a color. That's a color combination. So you're gonna melt that honey in with the lime, and I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, and you can just keep working on that. In the bowl, we have greenhouse tomatoes.
Why is everything so far away?
I wanted to make sure the camera could see everything. You and I are like stretching across. Can you reach?
Across the table.
Across the Great Divide. I'm sorry. And then a little bit of green onion. So cucumbers, tomatoes. Now add that little dressing.
Okay, can I?
Real quick, yeah. Oh.
My arms aren't long enough for this.
But look at how beautiful it looks. See how the camera can get right in there. I'm going to sprinkle with fresh mint. Pick your favorite herb. Doesn't have to be mint.
Okay.
A little bit of, do a pinch of that kosher salt. Now stir.
And now stir.
Yeah, and watch that color. Like, look at that.
So this isn't a toss.
Beautiful,
this is a
jeweled greenhouse vegetable salad that came together, even with all the stretching. It's a workout.
And you know that we have a camera right here, right?
Oh, sorry.
How many times have you been in this canteen?
Hi, camera overhead. If you want, you could add other veg. You could add avocado. I'm not going to do it.
Okay.
You could add avocado. You could add any other kind of vegetable.
We're keeping the avocado out
later.
because it's not Ontario greenhouse.
Yeah. So this is now, do you want to do, watch this game changer.
Okay.
Here is a sheet pan. You can even do the overhead shot to show people how gorgeous this is if they want. This is a sheet pan of roasted greenhouse peppers and leek, right? You can eat this as it is, but...
And I've never cooked with leek before, but you say it's got a really nice nutty flavor.
Nutty and sweet, Annette. Now, here is a pot of steamed basmati rice, and I'm going to spill that into a bowl over here.
And you've added something really cool into this rice.
Yeah.
You've added cloves.
Cloves? I just made a mess. Cloves.
Oh, it's okay. The camera won't catch that.
Okay, good. Cloves and black peppercorns. This is your rice game changer. Remarkable.
And what does it do?
It gives it like a spicy flavor. And the rice, now, look, instant, we're going to add our sheet pan veggies, and you have a really spectacular rice side dish. And then the weird thing about not weird thing, but the amazing thing about this is I had friends over, someone came to my house hungry, which is not unusual, and went to the fridge and was like, oh, can I have some rice salad? And I was like, light bulb moment. So my little rice side dish became, I'm missing a spoon. Here it is. My little rice side dish became a rice salad the next day. This is so delicious. Hey, Annette, hit that with this.
Okay. All of it?
Yeah. Well,
okay. And it's got some rice in it, too.
Exactly. So now look at this color combination. This is sudden. Oh, this is. Look at the cloves.
Oh, it's beautiful.
My mouth is watering. This is like totally my kind of thing. Really quick and easy. That's a side dish. You can have that. I mean, I would have that for dinner. My goodness, right?
All right. Yeah.
Look how beautiful.
Okay. And the last thing is a slaw.
Last thing is a slaw. Kale, carrot, and parsnip. And let me show you that color combination. This is like healthy.
And this is kale that you prepared in a food processor.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't have a food processor,
well,
so could I mince?
You're going to be like, oh, Nick, I love you as you make it. You can do it by hand.
Okay.
You could be peeling those leaves off by hand. So doesn't this look lovely and healthy?
Yes.
Now, remembering the eyes eat first, greenhouse peppers, greenhouse cucumbers, and now these greenhouse tomatoes. So those three vegetables are the game changer on this slaw. And now it's all of a sudden not just a slaw, it is a beautiful, colorful mix of healthy veg. Unusual in this recipe, I'm sprinkling cinnamon.
Oh.
Unusual in this recipe, I'm sprinkling a little bit of allspice. Notice my hand cleaning over here. This is how we do it.
You need an apron at the back.
A little bit of cloves, right? So now you have this spicy flavor profile, and this is the simplest dressing. Canadian maple syrup, vegetable oil. I do Dijon mustard, and then 6 or maybe 8 cloves of garlic. So delish, and you have an instant.
And is this like a slaw that's best the next day as well?
Well, it could go.
Okay.
I mean, I made it on Monday for my sister Lisa's birthday, and then I finished it off last night for dinner. So
Okay.
it lasts in the fridge for days. Lisa's probably, I think I'm supposed to leave with that when I left your house, but no, I enjoyed it all week.
Okay.
So.
And all of the recipes are up at Weekend at the Cottage?
No. This is coming. This is
Okay,
coming
this
2
will
weeks.
be.
Yeah, this is coming shortly. Have to make sure everybody gets it. What do you
Because that's
think?
where I go to. Okay, we'll get the link to Weekend at the Cottage
Happy
on our
veggies.
website.
Oh, and don't forget, look for Ontario vegetables.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Look for that sign.
It's there.
Oh, there.
It's in the camera.
There we go. Yeah.